As with Christiane, yes we can. Let's learn You Look Good by Lady A. Fun, sexy, known as a sexy dance, so you can add your own flair and moves and really enjoy it. It's only 16 counts and 4 walls. Let's go. It is right, left mambo forward, left, right mambo back, step, left rock, and cross, a crossing shuffle, whatever works for you. Okay, with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. One more time with counts. Right foot starts. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Awesome. Second 8. This is where you can really style. You can do a body roll. You can do your hips. Probably for today, I'm just going to sway, sway. Right, left. So that's the first part. So we just did our crossing shuffle. Our weight's on our left. We're going to go step our right foot to the side, sway, sway, or a body roll, or a pop, whatever works for you. But make sure you end with your weight on the left. So it's right, left, because now we're going to do a behind side, a weave to the 9 o'clock wall. Behind side step. So we just finished our crossing, shuffle, and sway, sway, behind step, step. Good, good. Then we do a rock recover, and we do a triple step over our left shoulder, ending at a full triple step, making a half circle over our left shoulder to end at the 3 o'clock wall. So we're going to do a rock recover with our left, rock recover, a triple step over our left shoulder, making a half turn, ending up on the 3 o'clock wall with our left foot. So rock, recover, and a triple step. Good. That's it. So let's count the last part. So we just did our crossing shuffle. So we do sway, sway, behind side turn, rock, recover, and a triple step. Good. Counts. 5, 6, second 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. We'll do it with words first and then with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, mambo step, mambo step. Rock and cross and sway. Sway, sway, behind side front, rock, recover, and a triple step. Good. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5. 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Some of the variations are the sway. You can do pops or hip rolls, flare, whatever you want. Have fun. And then the last rock recover, the half triple step turn, you can do a full turn. In fact, the choreographer, Rick Dominguez, recommends it, a full turn. So you'd have 1, 2, 3, and 4. To get to that wall. Okay, that's it. You look good.